across the silence, mbali si mwisho wa mapenzi. Distance is not the end of love. Usiku umetulia, nyota zinatuona. The night is quiet, watching over us. Nashika jina lako moyoni, I keep your name inside my heart. Hata kama uko mbali nami, even when you're far away tonight, bado najisikia karibu nawe. Still I feel you by my side. Nakupenda pole pole, I love you slowly, gently tonight. Moyo wangu kwako tu, my heart belongs to you. Rest with me in silence now, let our spirits breathe as one. Nakushika kwa pole, I'm holding you with love, so calm we can. Kila pumzi ninayovuta, every breath I take feels you. Kama upepo wa baharini, like ocean winds so soft and true. Hakuna maneno mengi leo, no need for many words tonight. Mapenzi yanazungumza pole, love is speaking through the quiet. Nakupenda pole pole, I love you slowly, gently tonight. Moyo wangu kwako tu, my heart belongs to you. Close your eyes and stay with me. Let your worries drift away. Nakuhisi moyoni, I feel you in my soul, always. Chini ya mwanga wa mwezi, underneath the silver moon, dawa tunatembea ndoto moja, we are walking in one dream. Hakuna hofu tena, there is no fear anymore. Upendo wetu ni amani, our love has become our peace. Nakupenda milele, I will love you endlessly. Karibu nami moyoni, stay with me inside my heart. Across the